Imagine walking into a home that was built 20 or even 30 years ago, yet everything looks untouched. The wood still glows, the air feels crisp, the walls look freshly painted, and every corner feels calm, orderly, and almost new. This is the quiet mystery behind many Japanese homes. They seem to resist aging. But what truly keeps them looking so fresh? Today, we're going to explore the cultural habits, daily routines, subtle systems, and mindful design principles that make Japanese homes age gracefully, and how you can recreate these same results no matter where you live. Prepare to see your living space in a new way, because the secret isn't expensive renovations or special cleaning gadgets. It's a mindset rooted in prevention, respect, and intentional living. In Japan, the home is viewed not just as a shelter, but as a container for peace. The moment you step into a Japanese entryway, the jinken, you instantly understand this. It's the boundary between the outside world and the inner sanctuary. Shoes stop here always. This single habit alone prevents the majority of dirt, chemicals, and micro scratches that ruin floors over time. By stopping dirt at the door, everything beyond the jinken ages slowly. Inside, slippers are used not just for comfort, but for hygiene. Bathroom slippers never leave the bathroom. Balcony slippers never cross indoors, and house slippers avoid moisture and dust. This reduces cross-contamination and protects flooring for decades. In many Western homes, the entryway is just a space you pass through. But in Japan, the entryway is treated like the airlock that keeps the home clean. Every night, even in the smallest apartments, the jinkan is reset, shoes aligned, dust wiped away, and clutter cleared. A tiny 2-minute habit keeps the entrance looking new for years. And in the morning, fresh air flows through. Japanese homes often practice short, intentional ventilation, opening a window or door for just 5 minutes to sweep out stale air. This prevents odors from settling into fabrics or walls. It's a ritual that doesn't take time. It takes awareness. When the entry feels clean, the rest of the home follows. From the entrance, we move into the invisible strength of Japanese homes, decluttering. Japanese interiors look calm because they are deliberately designed for simplicity. Everything has a home. If it doesn't, it becomes clutter, and clutter ages a space faster than dirt ever could. Japanese organization relies heavily on vertical storage. Clothes are folded upright, tools are stored vertically, and even utensils are arranged to stand. The goal is not minimalism for aesthetics, but visibility. When you can see everything you own, nothing gets forgotten or buried. Forgotten objects become dust magnets. Visible objects get used or released. And that brings us to one of Japan's most powerful habits, the one in, one out rule. When something new comes in, something else goes out. This keeps homes from slowly overflowing with items that quietly pile up and create visual stress. In Japan, decluttering isn't a dramatic event. It's a gentle, continuous cycle. Each day, small bits of clutter are removed: receipts, packaging, old mail. Each week, the home is reset, countertops cleared, shelves wiped, small storage zones checked. And seasonally, deeper decluttering happens with respect and mindfulness. Items that are no longer needed are donated, sold, or released. This rhythm ensures that nothing accumulates long enough to make a home feel old. But if decluttering is the soul of Japanese home care, then daily maintenance is the heartbeat. Instead of cleaning intensely once a week, Japanese homes stay fresh through microcleaning. A 10-minute morning sweep keeps dust from settling into corners or scratching floors. A quick wipe after spills prevents stains from ever forming. The evening reset is almost universal. Dishes put away, counters cleared, floors tidied, surfaces lightly wiped. It's not a deep clean. It's preventing things from becoming a problem in the first place. This calm consistency preserves materials for years. Japanese bathrooms are a masterclass in moisture control. Moisture is the #1 enemy of newness. It destroys grout, damages wood, encourages mold, and leaves long-term odors. Japanese bathrooms are designed around preventing this. The wet room and dry room are separated, so moisture doesn't spread. After bathing, the walls, floor, and tub are rinsed and then dried. Ventilation fans run for hours. Windows open when possible. Towels, mats, and sponges are dried instantly. Nothing is allowed to stay wet. Monthly resets prevent mold or mildew from forming at all. This is why Japanese bathrooms almost never smell damp and why they stay beautiful for decades. In the kitchen, Japanese design prioritizes cleanliness through simplicity. Counters are kept almost completely empty, making it easy to wipe everything down daily. Cooking follows the clean-as-you-go pattern. Wash a tool, wipe a splash, rinse a board, continue cooking. There's no waiting until the end for a massive cleanup. Oil control is also a major part of Japanese cooking culture. Since deep frying indoors is rare and steaming or simmering is popular, kitchens avoid long-term grease buildup. Splatter screens, water-based cooking methods, and intentional ventilation keep walls and cabinets stain-free. Before bed, the sink is reset, scrubbed, dried, and completely cleared. No dishes remain. This nightly ritual prevents bacteria and odors from settling. Floor care is another essential part of why Japanese homes stay looking young. Since no shoes enter the home, floors avoid the majority of scratches and dirt that age them fast. Cleaning is gentle: warm water, soft cloths, and mild cleaners. Harsh chemicals that strip surfaces aren't used often. Furniture is never dragged. It is lifted. Even the smallest containers are picked up instead of pushed across the floor. This protects wood and laminate from marks that accumulate over time. Homes with tatami mats practice even more care, airing mats in the sun, rotating them seasonally, and cleaning with soft brushes. Tatami absorbs moisture easily, so Japanese homes avoid humidity buildup, keeping mats fresh for years. Bedrooms in Japan feel lighter because they are used differently. Instead of heavy beds, many people use futons, which are rolled up and stored in the morning. This gives the room space to breathe and prevents mattresses from absorbing moisture or dust. Bedding is aired outdoors, letting the sun disinfect and refresh it naturally. Furniture is minimized, just what's needed, nothing extra. With fewer objects, there's less dust, less clutter, and less visual aging. A quick morning reset, putting away bedding, opening a window, sweeping the floor, keeps bedrooms perpetually fresh. Storage is intentionally hidden. Built-in cabinets with sliding doors keep items out of sight, reducing visual clutter. Drawer organizers, storage boxes, and compartment systems keep everything categorized. Japanese homes use vertical zones, frequently used items at eye level, less used items higher or lower, and rarely used items in deep storage. This prevents daily mess from forming and makes it easy to reset a room in seconds. When everything has a place, everything can return to that place quickly, and the home stays clean without effort. But beyond habits and design, there is one final principle that ties everything together: respect. Japanese home care is rooted in the belief that your environment affects your mind. A clean home supports calm thoughts. A maintained home prevents stress. And a home treated with care returns that care and comfort. Instead of thinking, "I'll clean later," the mindset is, "I'll prevent the mess now." Instead of letting things age until they require repairs, the mindset is small maintenance keeps everything young. Consistency, not intensity, is the secret. Tiny habits done daily preserve beauty for years. So why do Japanese homes still look new after so many years? Because they are cared for with intention. Dirt is stopped at the door. Clutter is kept under control. Damage is prevented early. Moisture is managed. Air flows freely. Cleaning is small but steady. And the home is treated as a living space that deserves respect, not neglect. You don't need to live in Japan to adopt these habits. You can start today. Choose one small ritual: an evening reset, a no-shoes policy, a daily microfiber wipe, a 5-minute ventilation routine, or a clutter check. These small acts build into a calmer home, a clearer mind, and a space that stays youthful for years. If this video gave you ideas to refresh your own home and bring more calm into your daily life, tap the like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow. And if you want more Japanese cleaning habits, calming routines, and simple home transformations, make sure to subscribe. Your home can feel new again. Your peace can return. And together, we'll build a lifestyle that ages gracefully, one gentle habit at a time.